Welcome back. Now, women go through changes as they get older, as we all know, but your body changes and they can also cause some uncomfortable issues that are hard to talk about. Here to bring some information that is life-changing is Becky Vanicelli, registered nurse and owner of Ageless Expressions Med Spa. Okay, thanks for coming back.
Thank you.
All right, let's talk about this Mona Lisa Touch. What are some of the benefits?
Okay, well, the Mona Lisa Touch was the first FDA-cleared laser to treat the symptoms of vaginal atrophy. And what vaginal atrophy is the lining of your vagina thins out because of that drop in estrogen. So you have painful intercourse, you have more frequent urinary tract infections,
That's okay.
You know, you just lose the volume, you lose the stretch, you lose the lubrication. It gets uncomfortable. You know, bouncing on the trampoline with the kids, you don't want to do that. Or coughing, you know, it can be embarrassing. So the Mona Lisa Touch helps to restore that vaginal health back.
Now, is there any pain associated with the treatment of this?
No, you're going to feel a mild vibration. You might feel air, you might hear air. Your vagina might feel sunburn for a couple of days, but it's not a bad sunburn. That's typically it. It's 3 5-minute treatments, 6 weeks apart. No downtime and fantastic results.
Now, who can be a candidate for something like this? Because there's different people who've gone through cancer treatments and things like that, right?
Exactly. So the best candidate are premenopausal or menopausal women that the estrogen level is dropped. They're fantastic. But also if you've had like a large baby or you're having problems with the stress incontinence, we can help restore that vaginal health there as well.
You've had some very happy patients.
Oh, we do.
And they are very quick to say, listen, this has changed my life. Let's go ahead and listen to some of them.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer at 29. I had gone through 2 surgeries, radiation, was put on tamoxifen, and started experiencing all of the wonderful side effects of tamoxifen. This treatment is life-changing. It is something that you can do without feeling scared that it's going to make your breast cancer come back or cause other health side effects.
I was hopeful that it would correct the problem, and it definitely corrected the problem. There's no pain, no discomfort. It's really, there's nothing to it, and I definitely saw results pretty much immediately.
Okay.
And continue to see even better results. He's happier. Yeah, it's had a big improvement. My message will be definitely try the Mona Lisa. It's worked for me, and I'm very, very happy with the results.
These women seem that they have said this is life-changing for them.
It is.
How quickly do you see results after a treatment?
50% of our patients that are sexually active typically see results within the first 2 weeks, and the rest of them, almost all of them, after the second treatment. The third treatment, you think, I don't need it, and it's icing on the cake. And I always tell the women, I said, if your significant other likes the results, I like red wine. I get a lot of bottles of red wine. Okay?
You do get a lot of bottles of red wine. There are a lot of happy customers and family members of such that say, hey, listen, thank you very much. This is something that they, you know,
it's
oftentimes...
quality of life
yes.
that's brought back.
So in addition, and as far as side effects are concerned, is there anything associated with that? I know the ladies said they didn't have any.
No, the side effects, just that maybe sunburn feeling, but this has been around in the United States. We were the first in the United States to have this up and running other than the FDA approval sites. So we've had it going for well over 3 years. There have been no significant side effects here or in Europe for 8 years prior.
Oh, that's pretty nice.
Just results.
All right, so let's talk about after the treatment. Do you give any advice or anything that you tell your patients they need to do after the treatment before they come see you?
Honestly, after the treatment, it's use it or lose it. The vagina is a piece of gear that it needs use in order to keep healthy. So that's what I tell them. I tell them I can get it up and running. It's your job to maintain.
There you go.
Okay.
Not much more you can say
Don't
about
ask
that.
if you don't want an answer.
Let's talk about the deal that you have for our viewers out there.
Okay, fantastic.
Yes.
What we're offering is if you can come in today, we're going to offer you 33% off of the treatment. And if you can come in scheduled like later on in this week, we're going to offer you 25% off of the treatment.
Well, there you go. So if you can't do it, let's do it today if you can.
Okay.
But if you can't, you still get 25% off.
Exactly.
That's pretty good too.
Fantastic results.
Let's talk about the O shot.
Okay, so the O shot is, ladies, it's exactly what it sounds like, and it's not just about the O's. The O shot was initially designed for stress incontinence, where the Mona Lisa Touch can help strengthen that pelvic floor and help bring that health back. But the O shot can do that as well, and we see immediate results with most women the day after the treatment. So you come in, we spin out your plasma from your blood, we inject it into a specific treatment area in the vagina, and again, that it's your own growth factors, it's your own body healing itself, and almost immediate response with the stress incontinence.
Now, you sort of said something, but I want to go back to it. How soon do you see results after the O shot?
Oh, for the stress incontinence, most women see it the next days. For the sexual results, it starts at about 3 weeks when the growth factors have kicked in, and it takes up to about 3 months. The two together is a fantastic treatment option, and we see a lot of patients and have been seeing a lot of great results.
That do both.
Exactly, the Mona Lisa and the O shot. It just depends on what your needs are, what you're looking for. Come on in. We'd be happy to do a consultation and help you determine what's best for you.
Becky, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let's remember, book your Mona Lisa Touch procedure today. Receive 33% off. Ageless Expressions Med Spa number, here it is, 303-872-5111. If you can't make it today, no worries. You'll still receive 25% off for booking later in the week. So call today for the most savings, 303-872-5111. Learn more online, agelessexpressionsmedspa.com. They paid for today's segment. Stay